Hello, George here. This is going to be one of hopefully many demos of Table Capture Cloud. And Table Capture Cloud is sort of the companion to the Table Capture Chrome extension. And what it allows you to do is just to sort of decouple extractions or exports from your actual actions. And what I mean by that is with Table Capture Cloud, the scraping is actually happening in the cloud in a server, not on your laptop or your computer. And so that means you can do fun things like schedule exports so that you don't actually have to be clicking the buttons every day or every week or every month or whatever it is. Um, and also that means you can perform exports from wherever you are. You can do it from your phone. Um, yeah, it unlocks a lot of interesting behaviors. So the first thing I want to show you is like this is the dashboard. You have different capture definitions. Um, and there are other features, but I'll show those in different demos. The first thing I wanted to do is just go to a page and show you how to get a table into Table Capture Cloud. So you can launch the workshop, and it's not a prominent button yet, but if you click this yellow pencil, if you're signed into Table Capture Cloud, you'll see this cloud icon, and you can click this to load this capture definition from the extension into Table Capture Cloud. You can give it a name if you want, or just use the title that comes in. You can add a demo description if you'd like as well. But the neat thing is you can also just click export now, and this table will eventually, it happens, the backend task will pick up this export in, um, plus or minus 30 seconds. But what will happen is this table will be exported from the servers, and eventually you'll be able to use the data from one of these perma URLs in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So right now, the export hasn't completed yet, but eventually you could use a function like this import data function to just always have the latest data in your spreadsheet. Um, there we go. The status is complete. Let's take a look at the data. Preview. All right. This is all the data. And if we wanted to, we could copy to the clipboard, go to Google Sheets, add this function, click allow access. And now we have all of this data being streamed from from Table Capture Cloud. And the cool thing is, if you were to schedule an export, every time this data changes, your export will pick that up. I mean, it's not actually watching the data, but if you schedule it for once a week or once a month, if the data changes when you've scheduled your export, it'll reflect in this spreadsheet without you having to do anything about it. All right, thanks for your time. That's the first demo in a series of Table Capture Cloud demos. Take care. Bye.